Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever thought about what if in the future we no longer use money as a tool to buy something? Maybe in the future blockchain will be used to buy goods and services. Watch this video so you know what blockchain technology is and what are its benefits for us. Let's find out. Decentralized finance, DeFi, is a financial system built on blockchain technology and powered by automated code known as smart contracts. This system allows anyone to carry out financial activities such as saving, borrowing, investing, or exchanging digital assets without relying on traditional financial institutions. Differences between DeFi and traditional financial systems. Key features. Key features of DeFi. Lending and savings processing. Users can lend or save digital assets via smart contracts. Digital asset exchange. Users can swap one digital asset for another directly from their personal wallet. Stable assets. These are digital assets pegged to stable values to reduce fluctuation risks. Passive yield. Users can earn profits by saving or lending their digital assets. Insurance and other financial instruments. Additional features developed for protection and diversification within the digital ecosystem. Risks and challenges of DeFi. Code vulnerabilities. Bugs in smart contracts can be exploited to steal assets. Lack of regulation. There is no clear legal protection in case of losses. Price volatility. Digital asset prices are highly volatile. Fraud and scam projects. Many projects lack transparency and can harm users. The future of DeFi is believed to play a major role in the global financial system due to its potential to enhance financial inclusion, reduce dependency on centralized institutions, grant users full control over their assets. However, to achieve mass adoption, improvements are still needed in terms of security, education, and legal frameworks. Blockchain technology through DeFi is paving the way toward a more equitable, open, and accessible financial system. While it presents many opportunities, caution and awareness are essential in its use. So, are you ready to welcome the way of exchanging goods using blockchain? Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more web security tips.